Hello. We're driving to Big Bear right now. Hoping to show you. Wishing that there's going to be some snow right now, but we'll see. But we're gonna spend a couple of days over there, and I'm planning to show you guys the cabin that we're gonna stay. I'm gonna do another review kind of a video over there. So welcome and enjoy the trip with us. First time touching snow. We really want to show this right here. That's why we stopped. Look how beautiful this is. I mean, wow. Wow. Huh? So where we're staying, the cabin actually, there's a, I mean, if you want, there's a brewery right here. This is the main road. This is all like lodges. We'll go find something. It's everything close by, I mean, honestly. And this is the summit over here. So I mean, it's really like walking distance, everything. I'll just stop talking and so you guys can enjoy the view. Just make sure that you wear something like this, and get some gloves because you're gonna need it, because it's slippery kinda. If you guys coming here, that's the slope right there. So apparently the ladies saw a bakery and they really want to try out the bakery and the coffee, so we're going the other way. When I saw yesterday in the evening, it was around 4 o'clock, the sun went down. It's really nice. That's the bakery. think that way is the we can go to the village and everything. This is all cabins, so I mean anywhere that you guys stay at here, which is the Temple Lane, I'll put the descriptions. I'll put the information on the description. But this is the Temple Lane, which is only 2 miles to the village right here. So honestly, this is really beautiful. Oh, that's a great. There's restaurants here, so finding food is not a hard thing to do. That's good.
What's this one right here?
These? That's a cherry cheese.
Okay.
So this looks good?
And that's
It's a small bakery. This is not actually one we're looking for, but let's see.
oh, really? Okay. One of those, please.
Have a great day. Hi, you guys. How are you?
Hey,
Can I know what
they have what they have.
that one's bread pudding.
Oh,
It has nuts in it. Is that okay? That's fine.
What's your other best sellers?
I mean, like our cinnamon rolls, brownies are really popular. Our cheesecakes.
and this is all like pine trees and stuff like that. Oh my god, it's really nice. Look at this tree. I mean, there's a lot of things to do in Big Bear Lake, around Big Bear Lake. We're actually gonna go try the summit around there. We can walk. But it's really nice. So you can actually see the lake right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. It's part of the lake right there. And this is where we're eating. It's about less than a quarter mile where we're staying at. So when you're watching this video, I'm going to do my cabin video. I'll put it up on the section. You guys can go watch it so you guys can see. I'm not promoting cabin's not paying me to do it, but I'm just doing the review. You guys can see the cabin and stuff like that. And
Ready, guys? Welcome. Would you guys something to drink?
This is my favorite. Really hard to eat, but let's try it. Thank you. Can
we get another bath?
That's the best for you. Got some food, so we'll finish it. I like this price. It's pretty good. Okay, we'll see you after eating. Okay.